Ever wondered why homegrown veggies are all the rage? Stick around to find out. Hello, gardening enthusiasts. Did you know some veggies are actually healthier when you grow them at home? Today, we're diving into 12 of them that you can start planting right away. First up, tomatoes. Homegrown tomatoes are fresher, richer in nutrients, and free from harmful pesticides. Plus, they make your salads look like a rainbow. Next, leafy greens like spinach and kale. These are packed with vitamins and antioxidants, but only if you avoid the chemicals. No one wants a side of pesticides with their greens. Carrots. Yes, those vibrant orange roots are sweeter and more nutritious when plucked straight from your garden. Bugs Bunny would be proud. And let's not forget bell peppers. They're loaded with vitamin C and taste so much better when they're homegrown. Your taste buds will thank you. Zucchini and cucumbers are next. These are hydrating and nutrient-rich but lose their goodness quickly after harvest. So, grow them at home and keep the crunch. Growing them at home means you get them at peak freshness. Then there's broccoli and cauliflower. These cruciferous veggies are best when they're chemical-free and freshly harvested. Homegrown versions retain more of their cancer-fighting properties. Superheroes in veggie form. Let's talk about herbs like basil and parsley. Homegrown herbs are not only more flavorful but also retain their essential oils, making them super healthy. Plus, your kitchen will smell like a gourmet restaurant. Finally, we have peas and beans. Freshly picked peas and beans are sweeter, more tender, and packed with nutrients compared to store-bought ones. They're like candy, but healthy, so why not give it a try? Your backyard can be a powerhouse of health and flavor. Happy gardening, everyone!